What if you could touch control all kinds of screens using a single device? With Glamos, that's not just a dream. Meet Glamos, a smart device that creates a virtual touchscreen anywhere. Glamos turns screens instantly interactive and lets you control them even from a distance. Chris became a magical presenter. All it takes to control his slides is his hands. Lucy is not glued to the phone anymore. Glamos brought her favorite game to life size, and now the entire family can play it together. Glamos creates a virtual touchscreen literally anywhere in the air and even on a wall. And all of this happened in the blink of an eye. Just plug it in and it's ready to work its magic. This is only possible thanks to our LiDAR technology. Glamos senses motion with a rotating mirror module, converts it into touch points, and delivers it to the device. Glamos comes to the rescue when your hands are messy and you need to swipe through your recipe, or when you wish you could just browse with your hands without touching the remote. Explore the seamless possibilities of Glamos and bring your devices to life. Anywhere you want with all kinds of devices. Experience a whole new level of comfort, convenience, and fun. The choice is yours. Glamos.
Introducing Alpha Pillow, the world's first pillow with a germ defense system. Alpha Pillow is a carbon-infused memory foam pillow with air cells, ultra-soft bamboo, pure silver fibers, and ice silk technology. The problem with traditional pillows is that they use porous materials. In as little as 7 days, millions of colony-forming units of bacteria can grow inside this permeable space where mold and other pathogens can thrive. Contact with these pathogens has been linked to acne, allergies, asthma, cold and flu, and other serious infections. Alpha Pillow's bamboo charcoal memory foam not only provides better spinal alignment, delivers more optimal pressure points, and is more durable compared to traditional cotton or down. Bamboo charcoal's activated carbon absorbs toxins, prevents mold growth, and purifies air by absorbing harmful gases. We then added air cells to increase comfort and breathability. The pillow is covered with ultra-soft, pure silver bamboo fabric. Silver has been used by NASA, US Special Forces, and Olympic athletes to create germ-free materials. When silver comes in contact with virus, fungi, bacterium, silver performs their deadly work. They bind to essential cell components like DNA, neutralizing their harmful effects. The pillowcase is made with cooling ice silk technology to help wick away moisture twice as fast as cotton and help reduce body heat to make you feel cooler so that you can fall asleep faster. Alpha Pillow with germ defense system only needs to be cleaned 5 times less frequently than other pillows. Alpha Pillow feels better, smells better, provides healthier sleep posture for a higher quality night sleep.
Meet Jonathan, owner of a regular roller bag. Now meet Scott, owner of the all-new Skytrak Smart Luggage. Chapter 1. Packing. John's luggage uses a number lock with the code 129. Or was it 128? But with Skytrak's fingerprint ID, Scott can get in and out of his bag with ease. Its built-in shelves and mini bags keep your things organized, while its zip-up compartments keep them from moving around. Plus, its spacious main compartment keeps your clothes securely fastened. It even comes with a garment hanger. All in a vertical design that lets you access it without laying it down. Chapter 2. Check-in. Keeping track of your bag can be tough when you're in a hurry. That's why Skytrak will alert you if you stray too far from it. Once you're inside, Skytrak helps you get to your gate faster. Its front pockets give you quick access to essentials, while its removable battery pack and front pocket get you through the security line quickly. Chapter 3. Your gate. Scott made it to his gate 40 minutes early. Good thing Skytrak helps him make the most of it. Its flat design serves as a portable work desk that comes with a convenient phone charger. Flying isn't a hassle when you come prepared.
Hey, Bromeister, yo, can I borrow your charger, man? My phone's dead.
Sure, man.
And when it's time for takeoff, airplane mode turns on automatically. And when it's time to land, Skytrak automatically turns it back off. Chapter 4. Baggage claim. A lost bag is a traveler's worst nightmare, but with Skytrak's built-in GPS tracking, you always know where your bag is. This was a tale of two travelers, but only one has a happy ending. Smarter, safer, Skytrak. Back us today and be one of the first to receive your very own.
Shizem is a smart mirror. You can turn on your music as a speaker through Wi-Fi. Enjoy your favorite music while you're preparing your Blue Monday. The mirror will capture your skin condition using the internal camera behind the mirror. Shizem will analyze and recommend a specific cosmetic item. Shizem has a professional LED ring light internally. No more extra lamp on your desk. The light is bright and clean. You can see yourself clearly. Shizem's internal hidden camera can be used as a security camera. Perhaps checking in on your dog in your place can be an option wherever you are. Shizem, a smart mirror that can change your life.
This is the Igloo Home Smart Padlock. It may look normal, but it'll do what other padlocks cannot. Enable smarter, instant remote access. It's designed to make everyday life easier and more secure. Nothing's more secure than a lock, right? At least not until you lose the key or forget the combination. It's such a hassle to get replacement keys or call an expensive locksmith to break it open. Well, there are already Bluetooth padlocks out there, but unlocking usually requires an additional app download and account registration. not so easy. That's why we've developed the Igloo Home Smart Padlock. It's versatile and user-friendly. And there's no need to download an app to receive access. You can securely receive a code via text or messenger. As an owner, you can easily grant time-sensitive access directly from the Igloo Home app. And you can do this wherever you are.
Hi, I'm Matthew. As Airbnb hosts ourselves, we started Igloo Home to make smart locks and lock boxes that would provide our guests with easy and secure ways to enter our rental properties. Since then, we've gone on to win awards for our design and technology, which has been rolled out in over 80 countries and counting. We're now launching a smart padlock focused on sharing access and everyday use.
The Igloo Home Smart Padlock is jam-packed with features. Remote deployability is built around the Igloo Home PIN code algorithm. A similar system is used by banks and in RSA tokens, so it's very secure. With our unique remote PIN codes, users simply receive a text, instant message in real time, or an email from the lock owner. No additional app download is needed. Users can request access by scanning the QR code on the lock. Plus, you don't need to be nearby the lock to create these PIN codes. The Smart Padlock recognizes the dedicated code that's been generated by the app. Codes can be one-time, duration-based, recurring, or permanent use. For example, you can grant recurring access to your dog walker every Wednesday morning. Or if you have a shared storage with others, you can give each person a unique code to access the space. You can also track who unlocked it and when it was done. The Smart Padlock also has Bluetooth capabilities. You can unlock via your smartphone when you're within Bluetooth range.
We've worked hard to strike the right balance between security and convenience.